Alright, I'm heading to Sturgis. First stop will be Gillette, Wyoming. In Gillette, Wyoming, staying in the Comfort Inn. And little stops along the way, of course, for coffee and stuff like that, so I'll keep you posted, but we're off like a dirty shirt. Okay, first stop, it's going to be McDonald's there in Cheyenne, Wyoming. It says about 66 miles, and I'm going to get myself some McDonald's breakfast and a cup of coffee. Well, here on I-25, got about 69 miles to go, and I'm caught in a traffic jam. But it's due to road work up here, so not going to let it stress me out, because you're going to run into road work all the time in the summer. But I'm looking forward to this road trip to Sturgis. Still working on this I-25 north of Firestone, Colorado, and seems like forever. I mean, when I moved here 4 years ago, they were doing this stuff. So I guess they build it as much as the tax dollars can afford at the time, and then find out it's not big enough, so they have to tear it up and rebuild it bigger. That looks pretty dark, clouds up north. But I might luck out and miss the thunderstorms. Stop there at the Budweiser plant, load up on beer for this trip to Sturgis. Buy low and sell high. The only trick is I don't have a cooler with me for a cold frosty beer when I get to the hotel tonight, still at Washington, Wyoming on Washington. Time for another cup of coffee. Well, it's starting to rain. Not bad. I just tuck in behind the windshield here, and it just goes over the top of me and around me. So that's one advantage of having this tall 24-inch F4 Customs windshield. But if it gets any worse, I'm going to have to find a place to pull over and put on the rain suit. Well, off to the west where I'm looking, looks a little bit lighter. Hopefully it's blowing this way. Been following the motorcyclist in front of me for about 6 miles. It's going a good pace, so I'll just follow him. Alright, Cheyenne in 21 miles. Well, the rain's let up a little, and I'm not going to complain. And it really smells good out here in the desert just after this rain. Too bad I don't have smell-o-vision here on the video for you. Was a big crack of thunder, and that sounded really close, and I saw a flash, so hopefully I can leave this stuff behind me. Welcome to Wyoming. that song? I think I know. Yeah, Eric Clapton. Alright, here in Cheyenne, and there's a McDonald's over there. Gotta start up this trip with some junk food. Okay, McDonald's here in Cheyenne. Well, I filled up gas here in Cheyenne. I'm back on the road again. Chugwater, just 21 miles ahead. I might stop in there to chug some water. I got some bottled water in my trunk. Now I'm going to pull in here to rest area here in Chugwater. Leaving the town of Chugwater. Next stop, Douglas, Wyoming for lunch. Pleasant 73 degrees. Knock on wood. The rain had let up. So it feels really good and I'm happy to be on the road. This is a great time. About 23 miles from Douglas, Wyoming, and the scenery is starting to change. A lot more trees in this area, really pretty. Currently 75 degrees and 81 miles an hour. Try to find a place for a burger for lunch in Douglas. Here in Douglas, Wyoming at the Stinker Station truck stop. Just had lunch. On the road again into Gillette, Wyoming. About 118 miles.
In 300 feet, turn left toward I-25 Business Loop. In a quarter mile, turn right onto the I-25 North, US 87 Interstate.
how comfortable that bed is. There's a swimming pool and hot tub, and they are open. Well, time to unpack the bike. Alright, I've got a couch and a chair, TV, refrigerator.